Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Woodstock, local and long-distance movers near me. We ensure your long-distance move occurs on time with no stress. We need to move 100 miles away or 1,000 miles away, our team will help. With us, you get the right moving services to make relocating a lot simpler. We take care of all the required moving options, including the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. It's not always easy to rationalize the cost when choosing an Illinois moving company. A local moving company delivers many benefits, which can make it well worth the expense. A reliable moving company can also enable you to preserve time, no matter how far you're moving. It will also prevent you from having to deal with any heavy lifting. Our professional movers offer efficiency with each and every single move, and you don't need to worry about spending several days handling your move when you select 3 movers to help. We can easily complete even the biggest moves in only a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Woodstock moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.